Been a long ass day today. Alice got the porch off the back of the house set up with a hot tub. It's like one of those little inflatable Walmart jobs. Have some family over there out back in the woods here. What's kind of cool about the house is that it's got this porch that overhangs. It's like 2 stories up basically. You can see all the trails and out back. We have a little dog kennel off to the side that's like, I don't know, maybe like it's got to be like 800 square foot that goes out to the property line and then up along the side of the house all the way to the front of the house where the dogs can hang out. Hey buddy. Cooking some burgers, maybe even burning some burgers. Oh nice, delicious. Today, sold 2 cars. I got rid of my WRX today. Sold the flip car, well, what's supposed to be the next flip car. Had a motor go in a car that I sold last week, so what I had to do is yank a motor out of something else and put it in a car real quick so the customer's not pissed because nobody had a motor available. Then, since the car I stole it from needs to be sold, I went and found a motor up in Alex Bay for $1,000, so went and got that. Hopefully get it swapped in tomorrow. Love this property in the summer. If you look far enough back in, there's actually some targets down there. You can shoot off from here. Shoot away as Hey Seabass. Say hi. Oh, what's that? Piece of wood?
Yeah, it broke off the dog fence.
From the dog fence?
Yeah.
Oh, it did break. Somebody must have went off the trail and hit it and didn't tell anybody.
Yeah.
Well, just put it next to the fence. I don't think he's gonna go on it anyway.
What?
Just put it near the fence. I'll deal with it later.
That's as close as I'm.
Alright, good enough. See ya.
See ya. 5 minutes later from riding down there.
You muddy?
I'm even in my PJs too.
Yeah, not too bad. It's in our range for like 2 days.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Kai.
Yeah, the dog's down there.
Sorry, dog. You have to stay down there.
That's because we got who over?
We got Side Guy.
Side Guy's over. He's little.
Hi, Dad. You have like white stuff all around your glasses, or is that just your? I think it's just from your glasses.
Yeah,
I think it's from work.
Probably. It's probably fogged up from sweating.
Oh, it's not. It's not on the lens. It's like around. Like. I'm gonna shape around where it is. It's like right on one eye.
Who is giving Side Guy rides down there? Bobo or Kyle? Nah. Very nice.
But then me and Maggie went down there by ourselves.
Cool.
Probably have to go back in before Side goes crazy.
Alright. Love you.
Love you too.